That's for the doggy, sweetheart. You sharing your toy? You like your dinosaur? Oops, dropped it. Finn's checking it out. And Kitty too. Want it back? There you go. Keep going. He's waiting for you.
Good job, buddy.
Hi, sweet girl. Oh, gentle, gentle.
That's adorable. There you go. Keep going. Yeah, almost there.
You see that? Yeah, that's the puppy. Gentle hands. Are you saying hi to the kitty too? Ooh, soft. There you go. Soft. Look at him tiptoe.
He's watching every step.
Careful, boy.
And here comes the cat, of course.
Like a little parade.
Good crew.
He's not letting you pass, huh? Good boy. Keeping her away from the step. Okay, buddy, you're doing great.